So now, Corona shop is closed. What next? All the businessmen from the Corona. What is next? So, don't close Corona shop, Corona market. High court. Okay. Don't play. Case with the high court, now you want to go to discuss. Court go summon you. You just go sit down, they go summon you. Say, hey, we have evidence you were doing this and that. Police, go and remand this person for quarantine for 6 months first. After 6 months, we will go down, move on, because we will find a different way to get information.
Sorry, let me just digress a little bit. Oparano, is that confirmed? They say Bobrisky, he fell sick for police waiting yesterday. The doctor and go hospital.
Yes, I saw it on the news.
That guy put himself into trouble, I swear. You know, they say when you are fighting against somebody who has nothing to lose, okay, you have a lot to lose. Very dark man has nothing to lose. Very dark man naked pick everything's already out. If he has nothing to lose.
When you go put that earring, when you just push for everywhere now. You remember another place where you go put that. You remember you go put that for the go put that for the.
I just put it there. So he has nothing to lose. Okay, so at the end of the day, anybody, very dark man, just like a rock, like a stone. If you use your leg to hit against the stone, now your leg go pain now. Now your leg go pain. Nothing go pain now. The guy's already on the ground. You can't bring him down. You can't bring him down unless you will come down to him. So, and that's what this guy is going through right now, Bobrisky. It's just for the past 1 year right now. In fact, this year now is one of his worst year. This year is one of his worst year. From court to prison, from prison to border, from border to hospital. No. Nobody needs this. But again, what is the way forward? How do we go for it from here? What is the way forward? Is everything going to end this way? No. We will not let everything end this way until all the evil people, until all of them are exposed. All of them will be exposed. Slowly. And all the persons that is calling themselves MOHBAD fans, they will come back to their senses. You will come back home. Come back home. Okay? The battle is over. Come back home.
This Wummi fans still there. Madam Delight, I mean, what is the name, Seth? Delight, he has changed the name. In the comment section. Papa, engage. I don't yesterday. I've been on this early morning. Seth, I don't know.
No. I don't engage. I don't think she can engage. She cannot engage. The one with the trust, man, of the crown, at least the crown. Madam, I'm talking about the crown.
They try.
Yeah, the crown. All these ones, they are full of emotions.
Coco Seth was following up, but later he lose it.
All of them talk nothing about it. Too much emotion. Like, I don't know what they want. Simple question. I said in the Yoruba culture, a child born into marriage is not a legitimate child, just like that. In the Yoruba culture, as long as you marry to Yoruba culture, okay, there is no law that says section 165. You're not going to bring that English law. That is statutory law. Those are laws. Evidence Acts are laws passed by legislatures. We are talking about a constitutionally given right, which is the culture. Constitutionally, we have the right to practice our culture, and the constitutional rights override over every right, every law of the land. Constitutional laws, because constitutional law is what establish the rule and order, the states, the legislation, the judiciary, the executive, okay, the bodies, how things are supposed to be operated, is a constitution that have that enabled. So constitutional law is a law that overrides every law on the land. That's they call it the supreme law to every other law. Every other law is enacted. It can be repealed. You can't repeal the constitutional law anyhow. You see? It's a superior law. So all these things you guys are saying, evidence act. Evidence act now for your pockets. Okay? I have you on record. Sure. You think you guys speak with, you don't bring evidence. Me, I like evidences. When you are saying evidence, prove to me who passed that bill. Was it passed by the legislature? If it passed by legislature, how come a law that is constitutionally guaranteed, how come you're going to use an evidence act to flaw such law? Evidence act has to even agree to the constitution. It cannot oppose the constitution. Unless you are saying that the culture should be overlooked.
Paparano.
And I'm confident in the culture.
Paparano.
Brother Ariano.
Yeah, this assumption that you're putting out there, you know very well that you are not putting it the way you're supposed to put it. Just to be fair to yourself and to your audience, people that are listening to you. Your line of objection to this whole thing, don't take it personal. People are learning and they are listening to you as you speak. It's not about me.
But you know you are one-sided now. You are only for me now. So you are one-sided.
Wait now. This is what I said. And that is what is obtainable. In general, under the Nigerian law. Okay?
Which law? Which law?
I am
we have several laws in Nigeria, right?
Wait. I am quoting Evidence Act 2011.
I want to ask a question.
Section 165.
Is Evidence Act applied to Sharia law?
You said what?
Is Evidence Act applied to Sharia law?
Evidence Act can be applied in any judicial process.
Oh my goodness. Keep trying. That is your assumption. You did dream, eh? The dream. The Sharia law. Sharia law is contained enough by itself to pass every kind of judgment.
Wait. Let me just wait. What I'm trying to say here, forget about Sharia law, because that is not even our point of discussion. What we are discussing about now is DNA.
But those are set of rules now. No, I'm not letting you know.
Now,
I'm letting you know that there's jurisdiction to the case. If it's customary, everything customary applies. If it's Islamic, everything Islamic applies.
Wait, now, do you understand that this particular DNA case is going to be handled under the family law?
Oh my goodness. What is family law, please tell me?
Lawyer, we don't know you work in a parko.
Can you tell me what is family law?
You said what?
Tell me what is family law. What is family law?
I should tell you what family law is.
Family law.
Use your Google and know what family law is. Don't make I tell you what family law is.
You speak out of emotion. You're talking about family court. Family court is a court where they look into the custom of the family. The custom of the family.
Papariano, wait. If one thing with you is that when we are having a conversation, they allow me to talk. When I'm talking and you're cutting me short, it will make you're the only one that will just seem that you're the one talking. You're not even talking with me. But when you allow me to land,
you speak for many hours now. It's just that
No, I am not speaking for many hours. When you're speaking,
the things you're saying, it is easily. It can be flowable. It's flowable. It's easily thrown out of the window.
I am giving you instances. I am referring to.
When you talk about family law, Give me the family law. What's family law?
I should give you the family law.
What's family law? How many laws do we have in Nigeria?
Papariano, wait. See, I was trying to quote the section of Evidence Act for you. You bring Sharia law, enter inside. Allow me to land first before you start quoting me.
I said something. I said.
Stop. Wait. No. See, it's your platform. It's your platform. You are allowed to do whatever you want to do. But what I'm trying to say here is that you should always allow people to talk, so that you have a conversation with them. Always allow people to talk, not you cutting them short. It's not right for you to be cutting people short because you're not giving them.
Wait. But yeah, talk. Let's hear you.
Okay, the reason why I even came up because of what you said, and in that sense of me quoting this Evidence Act, Section 164, that gave the presumption of legitimacy.
65.
I said 165.
You said 64 just now.
I did not say 64. You heard 64. I said 65.
When I know you walk in that
I know they like this thing. Allow me.
Yeah, man. May I tell you one thing?
Wait, Papariano. I said 165. You tell me say I said 164.
I know they fight you. Wait, give me 1 minute. Yesterday.
Papariano, wait. I dey talk with Papariano first. Papariano.
As you hear say they go court with Prime Boy and the nurse. Now you begin go everywhere yesterday. They say you find yourself in your me page yesterday. I don't know what you are trying to.
I beg you see.
Please let him talk.
I see where
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Please, Papariano, please let him talk. Let him land. Don't let us cut him short, please. Let him land. Even if he's making a mistake, let him land. Then after landing, you can now pinpoint his mistake for him. But the way you are cutting him short, even what he wants to say, you will not allow him to say. Where you want to pick, you will not allow him to pick.
My sister, but you not accept the mistake now. You not accept.
We know that you are cutting him short now. Because you are cutting him short. Let him talk. This one you are saying, you're just making jest. Let him talk.
You know where they go, and you know what they do. That's why they cut me short, because no one wants me to land. But if you go allow me to speak and conclude my statements, make you let me know so that I go talk. Make you not just interrupt me.
Say the right thing. I've always let you speak here. If you're gonna
now, Papariano, look at it this way.
Don't mislead people.
Wait now, look at it this way. I maintain my particular ground, and this is what I said.
Evidence. Don't forget that. Now. I'm the one who teach you that Evidence Act you are quoting.
Hey!
Okay. Ever since I quoted that Evidence Act, come on, just
allow me to talk.
Now, me teach that Evidence Act now. I've not been with the first read that for you. I'm the one that came here to read it now.
Hello, Papariano.
It's okay, go on.
You get your mouth. Use and talk anything.
Go on.
You never told me anything about Evidence Act. Okay, all these things, I know them. No, all these things, I know them by myself. Anybody can as well pull up. Wait now, anybody can as well pull up the law and read through. It's everywhere.
That's why I chop those days. I don't just say chop, forget, pass. So just talk my head.
Anybody know him. Everybody can. In a public property now, anybody feel know him. So no be big deal. So can't be saying that you. Now you get your mouth shut. All I'm trying to say is that for the fact that Liam is an issue of wedlock makes him a legitimate child for MOHBAD. And this is according to the Evidence Act Section 165 that says that any child born in a valid marriage, which is, we know very well that the traditional setting between the union of Wummi and MOHBAD is a valid marriage. And that section has already satisfied that any child born into a valid marriage is a legitimate child of the parent. Now, it is left for whoever that is claiming illegitimacy to prove otherwise. That particular section of the Evidence Act has given that presumption of legitimacy of a child. That is what my argument with you is. But you are bringing statutory law into the picture that they cannot apply that particular section in any case that has to do with DNA in the aspect of a traditional setting, that they can only apply it in a legal act, a marriage act, talking about the Matrimonial Cause Act. So how do you explain that, Papareno?
Now, there are 3 laws that guide marriages in Nigeria. In whichever law that you are married into, it guarantees the benefits of your marriages.
No, not be this one I say make you talk, Papareno. I'm saying that how do you explain that?
He's the one that is good at doing this. I'm driving my point now. I won't land. Let me drive my point. And this is what I do to him that he feels like I'm stopping him. Because if I ask him something, Papareno, he wants to recall.
Talk.
There are 3 marriages in Nigeria. We have there are 3 laws that guide marriages in Nigeria. The Islamic law, the English law, and the customary law. And whichever of this law that you marry into, it guarantees the benefits of your marriage. For example, if a woman marries under the English law, the English law has a lot of respect for women. That says that if you go to court to marry your Nigerian husband, if that husband dies, whatever they do in the culture of that husband doesn't apply. It's the English law, all the benefits that are attached to English marriages that guides your marriage. Automatically, you assume property. However, whatever that has to do with your family is going to be the English family settings. That is what applies. And all these laws that you see, it all comes from custom. Either the English law comes from the English custom. Okay. Now, the Yoruba customary laws, if you are married under the Yoruba customary law, the Yoruba customary law applies to your benefit. If your husband dies, automatically, in fact, in the Yoruba culture, a woman don't inherit property automatically. It is the head of the family that comes in and appropriates things. Now, in the aspect of a child born into a valid marriage, now, how does the Yoruba address such issue? Don't forget that your customary law is a Yoruba custom law. How Yoruba people see that situation. It's not the first time that
No, Papariano, it's not Yoruba. No.
Please wait. No. Listen now. You're not letting me speak. You are not even letting me speak.
That's not Yoruba.
You're not letting me speak. You're not letting me speak. I'm Yoruba. I'm a Yoruba name. Okay, with the Ashawa. Okay, I don't know which one.
Ashawa. That's not our law.
Let me explain to you. In the Yoruba settings, okay, when a child is born into a marriage, okay, just because the child is born into a marriage, there is no presumption in the Yoruba custom that automatically that child is a legitimate child. But the Yoruba believe that if there is any doubt raised either by the father of that child or maybe by the elders in that family, they're going to do tradition, a way of determining whether indeed that child belongs to that family, has the blood of that family or not. Now, can you tell me what is Oroile in Yoruba, since you understand Yoruba culture? I mean, Yoruba, can you please explain that? What is Oroile?
Now, let me just tell you something. Let me just say this. It is not every Yoruba house or every Yoruba compound that do Orole.
Which part of Yoruba?
It is not every. It is not every.
What part of Yoruba?
You said what?
Which part of Yoruba are you from?
You said what?
Which part of Yoruba are you from?
You're skipping. I think.
I said which part of Yoruba?
Hear me.
I can hear you. Which part of Yoruba are you from?
Hello, Papariano.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. It is
not. Which part
huh?
of Yoruba are you from? Which part of Yoruba are you from?
Hello.
Are you from Ekiti?
Why is it when they won't ask you, you know they get network problem?